This week, I've decided to pause on renovations and start decorating for Christmas, but there's a little bit of a twist. I need to get it done before my boyfriend gets home so that I can deck it the out.
Okay, so Tim is at work right now, and if I'm hi guys, hello. If I'm wanting to decorate for Christmas, I'm gonna have to go pick up some stuff, which means I gotta go to the store now and get the materials that I need so I can come back and decorate everything before Tim gets home. Tim can be a little bit of a Grinch when it comes to Christmas, but I love Christmas, so I'm taking advantage of him being gone to go get a bunch of stuff and decorate the house. Also, I'm pretty sick right now because, Tim got me sick, and so I've lost my throat. So yeah, I need to go do that real quick. I gotta get to the store. I'll be right back, guys. Hi, guys. I love it. Is this long enough? So I purchased this in hopes that it would be long enough. I don't know that it is because I didn't know the measurements of the table. So I think I'm gonna stretch it out and hopefully it covers the table. Okay, so it kind of fits. It's just kissing up at the edge of the table. I mean, I guess that works. So there's nothing very glamorous about this. This is literally my pile of shit, since things don't have a home yet. All right, I should probably go get the Christmas tree now. God, that thing is heavy. Oh shit. I'm realizing that before I even put this tree down, the rug is all f***ed up. So now I gotta figure out how to move the couch on my own and fix that. It's never as straightforward as I want it to be. Ugh. This bitch is heavy. Okay. What the shit? Oh, God. You guys know those weight loss shows? The ones where they try and get people to shred an insane amount of weight? I feel, that's where my other mic went. I feel like I'm on one of those shows where they've got those big ass tires that are just completely unreasonable. That's what I feel like right now. Hi. Oh, you want your bone? You take the bone. All right, Reg, you gotta move, kid. You gotta move. Everyone move. I love you. Get off. Come on, get off. Could you move, please? Thank you. Plug in this power strip. Oh, okay, well, part of it's lit. It's clearly missing a connection here somewhere. I just don't know where it is. This one's connected, probably down here. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Oh, wait, here's a plug. Ah! Y'all, this is the second time I have done that, or done this week. Earlier this week, I purchased a wreath hook and then left it in the cart in the parking lot. So I had to buy a new one because it was super far away where I got it. And I bought ornament hooks. I left those inside of Michael's after I purchased them. So I don't have ornament hooks now, even though I fucking purchased them. I'm gonna sift through here and hopefully I have some leftover ones. I found a couple. And these ones don't come with hooks either. I have 4 left from IKEA from last year. So since I don't have hooks for the ornaments, I'm gonna walk away for a minute here. And instead I'm going to add tree skirt, because I gotta make some progress. This would make such a cute little sweater, like a little, like a poncho. I think it's already looking pretty cute. I should probably vacuum now. God damn, this is heavy. So this is the part that I have been very excited / really nervous about doing, because I've never done this before. But I saw it online and I thought that it looked so cool. So we're gonna try it ourselves. Things don't usually work out the way they're supposed to on this channel, so we will see. Position your shower curtain rod. Now this is not permanent, this is just so I can set up what I wanna do. Now the idea here is you take garland and you wrap it. I mean, I'm taking the cheap stuff first and wrapping it around this pole so it doesn't look like a pole. I don't know if that's actually gonna work the way I want it to, but we're gonna try it anyways. So I'm just gonna take this, just kind of wrap that around. So now I'm gonna wrap it with this garland that I got that looks a little more authentic. Sort of fluff it out. Some more like kind of hanging, right? Okay. Okay, I recognize that this totally looks like a bag of yard work, but that's the point. That's intentional, hopefully. I saw someone put a pom-pom garland on this. It's supposed to look cute. I don't know if it will or not. Okay, let's turn off this light. Okay. Okay, now I need to hang it higher. Looks pretty good. Aha! I have just found some paper clips, so I am going to use these to just hang the ornaments. I also did an outfit change because Tim is going to be home soon. I don't want to be in my normal street clothes. I want to look like I've been sitting around just on the couch doing nothing and like, oh my God, how did all of this get in here? We got raided by an elf. It's Reggie's fault. I am so excited about this part particularly because I have always hated these pillows. These pillows came with the couch for reference, and I just haven't replaced them yet because I feel like the house isn't done enough for me to pick finishing details like that. Ooh. I'm kind of wondering if I got the wrong measured pillow. I think it's supposed to be 18 by 18. All right, so it turns out that I purchased the wrong size pillowcase, so it's not going to fit. I tried squishing it, and that didn't work. But that's okay, because a little while back I did purchase this this blanket. It's reversible. It's got cabins and stuff on it. I thought that would be perfect for Christmas. So I have this one last garland here, and I think I want to put it in the bedroom because I want it to be sort of evenly Christmased out in here. Now it looks perfect. He was going to be home any minute now, so I'm just going to get comfortable and wait for him so he can be surprised. Well, I only got one microphone right now because the other one's dead, so we're going to work with what we got.
I got your mat.
Oh! It's Grinch themed.
You Christmased.
What? Oh, that, no, we were ambushed by an elf.
We were ambushed by an elf.
It's Reggie's fault.
Reggie?
He left the door open.
You left the door open again. What did...
Do you like it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. You know, tree skirt? You had all this stuff in storage? No?
Yes.
Not the way you answered that. Okay. Looks good, though.
Oh.
Can Reggie still get into his house?
Okay, so contrary to popular belief, I know it's kind of ridiculous that the elf
put the tree right here. I know that that sounds a little bit ridiculous considering the fact that we just built these dog boxes and like it seems like Reggie can't get in and out, but here's the thing. He actually can, and Reggie actually prefers when there's something blocking his house. He likes to lie under the Christmas tree because he likes to burrow.
He likes to hide. So it's a legit thing. I can vouch for that. It looks good.
Looks like Christmas.
It's you Christmased. Looks very good.
Oh, thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'll let the elf give their regards.
Yes, I'll tell the elf. I said good job.
Thank you.
Overall, I love how this budget Christmas decorating turned out. I ended up getting lucky and things that I was able to purchase were all on sale, which meant big savings for me and more money that I can roll over into my next renovation projects. If you're interested in videos like the one you're watching now, then this series where I renovate my boyfriend's 45-year-old living room might be worth a watch.